On making my dream closet. But why am I in my kitchen, you would ask? Well, I was gonna prepare my coffee, but I just realized I am out of creamer or milk. Okay, anyways, I was recently on Pinterest and I came across this beautiful dress. But ask me, please ask me, was I normal enough to look up where this dress is from? No. Because previous to seeing this dress, my sister shared this TikTok with me.
Te voy a enseñar a pintar una prenda tie-dye, pero no así, no, vamos a pasar de esto a esto. Ve la diferencia, se ve hermoso. ¿Y con qué crees que lo vamos a hacer? Sí, con papel china. Necesitas una prenda que quieras pintar, papel china, una taza.
So yeah, I just decided that I'm gonna follow this DIY. Hopefully it comes out good. This is not my idea. I'm not trying to steal anyone's idea. That's why I'm giving this girl credit. I'm just gonna do that today and I'm gonna take you with me. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little grumpy because I just noticed that I didn't have any creamer and I just got in a very bad mood. And I mean, I shouldn't be doing the intro right now because I'm not in a good mood at all, but you just have to know me in all of my faces, okay? So the first thing we're gonna need is tissue paper. I have all of these very pretty colors, water, vinegar, and you're gonna need a spray bottle. I need the vinegar and I need the spray bottle. Oh, and obviously a dress, so we can go ahead and get started.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hello, can I please have an iced doppio with 4 pumps of white mocha and coconut milk? Thank you. Does it have coconut milk?
I'm sorry?
Does it have coconut milk?
Yeah, that's coconut.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
No worries. So if you want more milk, you could probably just do like an iced latte, but for the like iced espressos, for a splash of milk, that's usually how much we are supposed to.
Okay, thank you. I don't know if I'm more mad that they didn't fill it all up or I don't know how to fucking ask for a coffee at Starbucks. This day is not going well. So apparently I don't know how to ask for a coffee at Starbucks. Why is it always so difficult? Like honestly, that's why I don't go. That's why I don't go, because I feel stupid asking for one. See this? It looks like someone drank from this. I haven't even drank from this. Okay, I did a little just to taste it. But this is how they give it to me. I want to see how much coffee there really is in here. That's fucking gross. I got the vinegar, I got my creamer, and I got my coconut milk. So I'm gonna try and fix this shit. When she gave it to me, I was like, is this it? Like, did you guys drink from it or what? What the fuck? And the thing is that my baby sister always asks for this. And I know that they give it to her how it's supposed to be. Okay, let's put some coconut milk in this bitch. I'm gonna put some coconut milk, a little bit of this creamer. I'm just gonna add a little bit more coffee. This, I wouldn't even mind paying $10 for it. Okay, so first step is to wash the dress. This is the dress that I'm gonna be using. I bought this one off from Shein and it's like this silky type of material. And to be exact, it is 100% polyester fiber. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it first. What the fuck? I'm just gonna wash it with dish soap because I can. This is my DIY table, that's why there's spray paint all over the table. So I filled up the bucket with clean water. I'm gonna put the dress inside. And now I'm gonna add the 1 cup of vinegar. Do we know what this is for? No. But am I gonna do it? Yes. Because I'm just gonna follow the steps. The vinegar, and I'm gonna mix together. Ugh, it smells so good. We're going to let this sit in for half an hour or an hour. I'm back. We need to let the dress soak with the vinegar for 1 hour. And meanwhile, I'm gonna be cutting the tissue paper. Is that how you call it? Today is not my day, okay? Just bear with me. So the colors that I have: purple, lilac, pastel pink, red, orange, like peachy, and yellow. But then I don't know if these pastel colors are gonna be strong enough for the color to penetrate. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have an hour to think about it, so I'm just gonna cut them. And by the way, my name is Karina Berenice. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you have been following me for a while now, I am sending you a kiss for being so loyal to me and for loving me and supporting me so much. And you know who you are. Anyways, if you like these type of vlogs, kind of realistic videos, let me know. Kind of hard trying to make videos aesthetic. I mean, I love doing it, but it's kind of hard. My plan for this video was to make all the video aesthetic, but because the coffee thing ruined my vibe, now you guys are gonna see the real thing behind it, okay? What I like about this DIY is that you can literally do any design with it. So I'm gonna really try to strategize. So I'm gonna really try to strategize how I'm gonna put the colors so it can make this beautiful ombre type of tie-dye. So I'm going to a beach wedding on June, and if this dress comes out exactly how I want it, I'm gonna wear it. And I'm gonna vlog for you guys. By the way, I'm not even sure if I'm on frame, so if you're just talking to my chin, say hi to it. So this is how the paper looks cut out. Very cute. I love the colors. I didn't end up cutting this color because I feel like it's not even gonna tint of how light it is, so I just saved myself that time. I also forgot to buy a spray bottle, so I emptied one of the Windex ones and just put water on it. Your dress has to be soaking wet for this. So now I'm just gonna start placing the tissue paper all throughout the dress. So I flipped it to the other side so I can work on it. I'm just gonna follow the same colors throughout. So it's been like half an hour and this is already drying out. And as you can see underneath, it is tinted. Oh my god. It's actually already a little dry. So I'm just gonna get it off from here and I'm gonna hang it so it can dry quicker. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see the end result. So this is how it's looking so far. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. The colors look a little patchy, but that's why we need to iron it once it's dry. So I think we're gonna go to the thrift store because I want to find more items with that type of fabric. Right here, baby. So I didn't find any items that I could use for the DIY, but I did find some other really cute stuff, but I'm not gonna be showing you because I'm planning on doing a new video. So I'll just save these items for that video, so stay tuned. Okay, so now that my dress is dried, I am going to iron it. I think she was lying to us when she said the colors were gonna blend in together because they're definitely not doing that. You have no idea how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You can see the patchiness a little, but it is still so pretty. So after this, you're supposed to soak it in water again. I mean, I don't understand the logic behind it, so I don't know if I want to skip this step or do it. This is the water. Oh my god, there's so much color there. And this is the dress. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry and then I'll show you the end result. It's the next day. Good morning. I just woke up, so I need my coffee and I'm so excited to prepare that when I'm done with this video. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get into your creative mind and decide to recreate this. And if you do, well, you can't tag me anywhere because I don't have Instagram or any social media, so I don't know how I would see it, but I hope it comes out great. I hope you enjoy doing it. I loved my dress. The colors did turn out a little bit more pastel when I rinsed it, but I don't mind it at all. I think it looks so beautiful, so pretty. It looks like a very pretty sunset. Don't mind my hair or my face. Like I said earlier, I just woke up and I just want to get this video out as early as I can for you so you can see it, so you can recreate it. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my fabulous videos. I am sending you millions of virtual kisses, and I'll see you on my next video.